Documents have been discovered confirming Ripple's forthcoming victory within the SEC lawsuit. We've been waiting for this for many years, and we've got sooner or later executed our purpose. What's maximum exciting is that the charge of XRP has already begun to rise, but that is simply the beginning. Experts say the charge may want to bounce to $200 or better very soon. Sounds pretty interesting, right? But that is only the begin. Let's wreck the whole thing down in order. You cannot have the funds to miss this. Disclaimer, sir. The drama surrounding Ripple and XRP is heating up as hypothesis mounts approximately SEC Chairman Gary Gensler's potential resignation. And for many XRP holders and Ripple supporters, Gensler's departure ought to mark a turning factor inside the long status war between Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission. In December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit towards Ripple, alleging it raised $1.3 billion by promoting XRP as an unregistered safety. The case has raised questions about cryptocurrency regulation and the destiny of virtual assets in the US. Adding gas to the fire, popular XRP influencer Jack the Rippler tweeted, "Gary Gensler ought to resign nowadays. Let's desire for an legitimate assertion from the SEC, XRP to the moon." The anticipation surged whilst Twitter person 25 Hawait claimed to have located Gensler's resignation letter on the SEC website, pointing out the United States SEC website confirms Gary Gensler has resigned. This sparked a frenzy inside the crypto network, with many questioning if a management shakeup ought to finally bring clarity to XRP's regulatory popularity. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has been vocal approximately how the CC's involvement disrupted XRP's increased trajectory. Garlinghouse has stated earlier than the SEC were given concern within the crypto markets, XRP was the second maximum precious digital asset. He believes XRP nonetheless has the capability to rival Bitcoin's dominance, a sentiment echoed by way of many XRP loyalists who see a path to renewed increase if regulatory uncertainty fades. The ongoing speculation approximately Gensler's resignation changed into further fueled via current remarks from Cody Carbone of the Digital Chamber in an interview with Thinking Crypto. Carbone hinted that Gensler's recent speech in New York might have been a diffuse farewell deal with. He explained, "I would not be amazed if he turned into gone via the cease of the day, if he changed into long gone by using the quid of the week, or if he changed into long past before the quid of the 12 months. According to Carbone, it is normal for CC chairs to step down earlier than a brand new administration, specifically if the incoming president is from an extraordinary birthday celebration. With presidential transitions normally leading to a shift in SEC leadership, many accept as true with Gensler's go out could manifest before January 2025. For Ripple and the wider XRP community, the implications of a capability management trade may be enormous. Since the SEC's lawsuit, Ripple has maintained that XRP must now not be taken into consideration as safety, arguing that it is essentially specific from different asset lessons historically regulated by using the SEC. While the criminal procedure still has a protracted manner to head, the departure of Gensler could shift the regulatory winds, probably giving XRP room to grow without the looming threat of regulatory scrutiny. And allow me to inform you, the drama does not forestall there. Wait till you hear what the specialists are predicting for XRP now that the SEC's grip would possibly eventually loosen. This is the sort of news that could send shockwaves through the complete crypto market. Trust me, you are no longer going to want to miss what's coming subsequent, because this could simply exchange everything for XRP holders. So XRP is humming with exhilaration as bullish predictions and technical analysis fuel optimism inside the crypto network. From Twitter to trading charts, the sentiment is electrical, with many professionals and lovers suggesting that XRP's high-quality days are just beforehand. Some even agree with we might also never see XRP price beneath $1 again. As Jack the Rippler boldly tweeted, we are able to never see XRP underneath $1 again. The question on everybody's thoughts, could XRP finally attain its complete capacity? Crypto influencers aren't preserving lower back their predictions. I'm extremely severe about this, and we will all see it. This self-belief is echoed via others like Stefes Crypto, who stated ... If you think $1 XRP is high-priced, wait until the subsequent height. Steph even went in addition projecting a $33 goal by using 2025, which aligns with the growing notion that XRP will be one of the maximum transformative virtual assets within the coming years. But where do those predictions come from? The optimism isn't just hype. It's supported by XRP's technical science. According to crypto analyst Javan TM, XRP is forming a conventional bullish sample, a huge descending triangle spanning over 2,660 days. Such extended consolidation regularly results in explosive breakouts. In truth, Javan factors out that a comparable smaller triangle in XRP is beyond ended in a pointy rate surge. This time the stakes are even higher. One of the maximum compelling elements of the modern day setup is what analysts call a faux breakdown. This brief dip in XRP's fee shook out weaker palms, paving the way for a more potent reversal. Javan highlights an inexperienced arrow at the chart as a symbol of hope for XRP fans, suggesting that the asset is poised for a substantial upward move. If history repeats itself, XRP ought to destroy beyond its previous all-time excessive of just about $4. a 300% benefit from current ranges and probably pass even further. Javan isn't by myself in his optimism. Using logarithmic projections, he has set a jaw-dropping long time period price target of over $200. He compares XRP's cutting-edge setup to its legendary 2017 and 2018 bull run, which noticed astronomical profits. With institutional adoption on the rise and the prison hurdles with the SEC displaying signs of easing, many consider XRP as gearing up for an even larger breakout. For long-term holders, this moment looks like a vindication of their staying power. Levi captured the mood perfectly, tweeting, "Just leave a like in case you accept as true within turning into a multi-millionaire by using keeping XRP." This is not just hypothesis, it is turning into clearer by means of the day that the cease of the trial is close to, and that would suggest huge price increase for XRP. We're speaking about $200 or maybe higher. But stick around, because what is coming subsequent should absolutely shift your view on in which XRP is headed. The idea of Ripple launching an initial public providing has sparked a variety of pleasure inside the crypto space, and for good motive. But what precisely is an IPO, and why does it depend for XRP? An IPO, in simple phrases, is like while a private business enterprise makes a decision to open its doorways to the general public for the first time, permitting normal humans to buy shares of the agency. Think of it like a live performance wherein the band has been gambling to a non-public audience and now they're commencing the doors to a large crowd. Now, all and sundry has a threat to personal chunk of the band's destiny success. For Ripple, this will suggest a chief shift in the way it operates, and it's a recreation changer for XRP. Why is an IPO so essential for Ripple and its token XRP? Well, it's no longer pretty much commencing up possession to the general public. It's approximately signaling that Ripple has reached a new level of legitimacy. An IPO should provide Ripple the monetary assets to expand further. But perhaps even more importantly, it could solidify its popularity as a critical player in the worldwide monetary gadget. Ripple's long status war with the SEC has created uncertainty. But once that's resolved, an IPO ought to function a clear signal that Ripple is ready to perform at a global scale, free from criminal roadblocks. Now, permits communicate approximately why an IPO would possibly pump the rate of XRP. When an organization is going public, it frequently sees a spike in interest, and this can result in a surge inside the rate of its stock. With Ripple, the excitement around an IPO ought to do the identical for XRP, in particular if institutional investors begin taking a more potent interest inside the cryptocurrency. In reality, SBI Holdings, certainly one of Ripple's key companions, has already urged the business enterprise to prepare for an IPO as soon as the SEC dispute is resolved. Yoshitaka Kitao, the CEO of SBI, believes that Ripple has the potential to power vast innovation in the monetary zone, and an IPO could be the catalyst to bring XRP into the mainstream. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, at the same time as formally downplaying the need for an IPO, has stated the enterprise's strong economic health. However, with the resolution of the SEC lawsuit in sight, the concept of going public ought to offer Ripple with an effective new manner to increase its impact and lift the capital needed to further its undertaking of transforming cross-border payments. In addition to the technical and monetary impact, an IPO